Autism is a developmental disorder. When we talk of autistic child, we are talking of that child who is lost in his own world. We are talking of the child who is not having eye-to-eye contact. We are talking of the child who does not have proper channel of communication. We are talking of the special children. Who are these special children? Are they really special? Some people say mentally challenged, some people say special, some people say disabled, some people say Viklang. But the best term will be that they are not Viklang, they are not disabled, they are differently abled. Every child has divine potential, said Swami Vivekananda. And it is up to us that how we are going to explore this, how we are going to realize the potential, the divine potential which each child has. We saw these sweet children, the way in which they were performing on the stage. I am reminded of a small anecdote from the history. This anecdote takes us back to the phase of Renaissance. Renaissance, the reform, the progress which the world was making, the revolution which was taking place. It was there, those days. We are talking of 14th century, 15th century. At this time, in Italy, in one wonderful town, the mayor of the town, Pisa, approached one great architect, Donatello. Donatello was that time one of the greatest architects, Shilpi, and his architecture was world famous. They went there with a piece of marble and said that, "Sir, we would like you to prepare one wonderful piece of art which will put exactly in the central aspect of our town, and it will enhance the beauty and glory of our town." Donatello looked at the piece and then he said with the sad face that, "I'm sorry, I can't do anything on this. I need a piece which is absolutely flawless. There should be no defect. One which you have given has defect, and I can't make anything on it." They were all disappointed. Years later, the same piece they presented to the great master Michelangelo. He, with pleasure, with grace, accepted it and carved out a beautiful portrait of David, which is there right now, and it has really become a world famous piece of art, and all those who are connoisseurs of art also enjoy that piece of art. Everything has tremendous potentiality. Do not blindly reject it. Number 2, you need to apply in a scientific and artistic way your skills in order to bring out a wonderful portrait from that piece. And third, what is required is tremendous dedication. If these 3 things are there, I am sure we'll be able to evolve wonderful portrait. And once you have evolved a portrait, your job is over. You are in a position to identify the simillimum and prescribe. Who is an artist? Yes? Yes, anyone? Who is an artist? No, Michelangelo was a great artist, but whom would you call an artist? What is the definition of artist, or what is the concept of artist, or what is the understanding of the artist?
Somebody creates something new.
Sorry?
They create something new from
Yes.
with their own imagination and with their own
Exactly. Wonderful, wonderful. Absolutely fine. So, creativity, imagination. With creativity and imagination, ability to put ideas on canvas, she rightly said. All those things are important. If you have ability without adequate imaginative faculty, it will be of no use. But if you are simply imaginative and not resourceful, then the thing will not come out. So you need all these. An artist starts with the wild sketches on the canvas, and then the imagination takes its way. The creativity comes full blown. But what is far more important than imagination and creativity is authentic base of experience. Artist reflects on his experiences and gives you a wonderful product. It has to be based on authentic experiences. So that means artist should be able to reflect back on his experiences well. He should be able to integrate those experiences and then should reflect it. So there has to be some degree of spontaneity in it, imaginativeness. And all those things are not haphazard. It's based on certain fundamental conceptual base. And when artist applies that base, then scientificity gets added. And when science and art come together, you see the wonderful result. I'm sharing these experiences of ADHD cases which we treated, as well as 60 cases of autism. We are focusing mainly on autism. Autism, a journey through the solitude. What is autism? It's a pervasive developmental disorder that typically appears during the first 3 years of life. Male-female ratio is 4:1, and occurrence is 1 into 160 as per the latest epidemiological survey available to us based on USA survey. But even in India, I'm sure we are going to have a far significantly large proportion of autism. These are the children who have poor eye-to-eye contact, poor mixing with peer group, lack of social or emotional reciprocity, and they prefer to be alone. Lack of spontaneous seeking to share enjoyment, interest and achievement. Now this is something very important. These children lack spontaneous seeking to share enjoyment, interest and achievement. Child symbolizes spontaneity. Child is pure. We always love to cuddle the child, hug the child, play with the child. Child is full of innocence, full of spontaneity.